McDonald's announced that they want to invest over $100 million into digital marketing. What does that mean? Well, a company that's well over 100 years old, have a very, very established brand presence across all the global markets. I don't think any little kid in the world that at least haven't heard of McDonald's, let alone actually have gone there hundreds and if not thousands of times. Why would a brand that has such market presence still need to invest heavily into digital marketing? The reason that they're giving is because the traditional channels that they've relied heavily on, which is the mass media like TV and radio and print, hasn't yielded as much result as digital. And I personally can attest to the experience that you have when you go use the digital platform for purchasing from McDonald's. Their mobile app is a very, very well-designed app, and it's easy to order things from there, and it speeds up the order processing experience for people. So when they think of digital, I'm pretty sure that they're trying to get as close to the customer as possible through digital medium so they can track the interaction each of their customers have and then track it back to revenue. An organization that's grown rapidly and have probably the largest market share for restaurant business in the world still feel the need to invest heavily into digital marketing because they feel that's where they have the biggest opportunity to win. So if the brands like McDonald's is investing heavily into digital marketing, I think it's no brainer for any brand that is trying to establish market presence, increase awareness, and to acquire new customers. They should be focused on investing heavily as well. It's not a question of should you, it's like, why aren't you?